Jack Grealish will complete his £100 million move to Manchester City today. The Aston Villa captain is due in Manchester to sign his contract ahead of completing the British record transfer deal. Sportsmail revealed in March that City had become favourites to sign the exciting Villa midfielder, and they have maintained a dogged pursuit. Opening talks over their bid last week and offering his £100 million clause last Friday. It is a signing of huge intent from the Premier League champions as Pep Guardiola looks to retain the domestic title and go one further in the Champions League. Grealish had returned to training with Villa on Monday after his holidays in Mykonos and Dubrovnik. In respect of his boyhood club, he maintained a professional manner as the squad went through their paces. He held discussions with sporting director Johan Lang and was clear in taking the next step up in his career. Villa want to build a side to challenge the top six in the Premier League, and have completed the signing of Bayer Leverkusen winger Leon Bailey for £30 million. They also want to add Southampton's James Ward-Prowse, Chelsea's Tammy Abraham, Todd Cantwell of Norwich City, and Manchester United defender Axel Tuanzebe. The rebuild will do little to appease some Villa fans unhappy at losing their star man, but the club offered Grealish good terms to stay and remain ambitious in their plans going forward. Grealish will now get the chance to play on the Champions League stage and cement his place as one of the best midfielders in Europe. City are also maintaining their pursuit of his England teammate Harry Kane from Tottenham, though the deal will not be as straightforward despite Kane staying away from training this week. Daniel Levy maintains that his captain is staying, and it will take a bid in excess of £150 million to make him reconsider.